Hello everybody, welcome to Hardest Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to check battery health in Ampere app on Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you want to check your full battery health, I'll show you how to do it by using the Ampere app. So first up, you'll need to download it from the Play Market. So type in Ampere and download this app right here. Click to open it. Okay, and as you can see now it's measuring. So you can see our battery milliamperes right here. You can see the status, discharging, plugged on battery, level of battery, battery health, cycle count, technology of your battery, max capacity of your battery, temperature of your battery, voltage, manufacturer, model of your phone, Android version, and build IP. So basically that's it. That's how you check full battery health in Ampere app on your Google Pixel 8. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.